Friends, welcome back. This video I'll be surrounding the machine again, sunset, noontide. If you have already followed my channel, you can get a notification about this video. I've already made it earlier. In this video, I didn't get the version number information about the surface. And so I simply base the information of the machine, the descriptions of, because this machine is very easy and do not overthink it. So I just make a very, simple guess. This target may be vulnerable to the specific vulnerability. And then I used the Metasploit to do that. However, I think this is not, totally correct way. If we can, whenever possible, if we can get the version information, this would be better for the penetration, because at that case we can, we can search or we can look for the vulnerabilities for this specific version, not just based on the guess, although the guess itself is very important for the penetration. Okay? Of course, in this video, I will not start from scratch. I assume that we have already done everything, for example, like the IP address discovery, the Nmap scanning. So now we can go to the Kali Linux VM and cut out the Nmap scanning results. As you can see over here, the Nmap can tell us the target is running this surface, the Unreal IRCD. Unfortunately, the Nmap cannot give us the exact or detailed version number information. I stated earlier, in the first video, I used such a sprite to look for the vulnerability and simply thought this target is vulnerable to this, this vulnerability. However, in this video, I'd like to use another way to enumerate the version number information about the surface. So how to do? For example, we can use netcat to connect to the target, and you can send information to the target and to see whether we can get back some information from the server or from the target. However, nothing we can get. So next, as we know, the Unreal IRC is some sort of the open source IRC server. This is one type of the IRC. So maybe we can use the dedicated client to connect to the target, connect to the target surface. For example, we can use HexChat. And as you can see here, you can add the target, a server, or maybe I can remove first. And so, for example, we can add the network. You can use any name like Loom, and also we can edit. So here we can put the IP address of the target. Okay, so now, very important, this case we cannot use SSL for all the servers on this network. Otherwise you will get error from the target. So we just disable this option and then close, and then can connect. So maybe you misspelled unknown host. So we need to double check. We can edit. So we can edit. We can close and connect. So now login, the server or the target is there. And if we try to get the channel list, no. And then we will we wait for a while to get information from the target. And from such information, we can, retrieve the version number of the surface, okay? We need to wait for a while. So what would you like to do next? Connection to Loon complete. Nothing. I will join a channel later, okay? Click OK. And then you can get a lot of information from the server. And if you take a look at this information, such information very closely, you can notice the version number, right? Here, your host is this one, running version, Unreal. So I think so far, or at this point, we can retrieve the version information about the surface. Next, we can use such a sprite utility. And then now, at this moment, we are very confident we can use Metasprite because we have already got back the version number of the surface of the Unreal IRCD. Okay, so then you can launch Metasprite to finish or to complete this penetration process. This I'm not going to do that in this video. Okay, so that's all I'd like to do in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.